people, do you know Pager? They are from Village of Objects. Their voice is text-to-speech. Is a sharp personality for target. Okay, let me show the video of their voice. The video's not mine.
Hello there. After
Look.
the debut, where the votes were quite obviously rigged,
This is her in the wrestling. This is them in wrestling episode. The video's not mine. It's from Village of Objects.
and voting for
Look, her voice.
bowling ball.
What?
No way.
Can roll around.
Oh, then what?
Oh.
Has
Look
been
at her
an
voice.
impressive
Do you
player
know what it's
despite
similar to?
being out for the-
Okay, this is GameCube for Yak.
Oh, that doesn't mean anything.
Yeah, duh.
And also, hers is also target voice. It's a sharp personality.
Just ask for help.
So this is why Pager voice has the same like GameCube from Yak.